You're the sporting man of this.
Go on, lob one. Here she comes.
She's good at throwing.
Try.
Yeah, go on. You try.
Sulong's face or?
That's Salma. She's come closer, so.
Where at?
At her. No, not at her.
Ready?
Ready? Oh!
On your head.
Oh. Sulong, is he going higher? Is he? No, he's going down. He's going to go and get it. Oh, that's quite cool.
See if he picks it up first.
What's he going to do with it now?
What's this rubbish?
He's just going to eat the whole thing.
No, don't eat the whole thing.
Oh, it's a bit far. Oh, she wants another one. Oh, look.
Oh, look.
She had her hand out for one.
Oh,
Yeah, shall I show you another one?
oh what was that?
Oh no.
They go and get it.
How many left?
I've got 2 here.
Oh, she's coming, I think. She's going to... Oh, she's trying to look for it.
Salma,
Salma,
go down.
it's over the back.
Go down there.
They're both over the back.
You have to get down and look for it.
It's not going to come to you.
Security first then, the door's left open to go in the egg centre.
Oh, is it really? Left open. Has he got in here yet? Whoops. Oh.
Over there, over there.
Over the back.
You're fine.
And I come back tomorrow, I bet they're in the same place.
Yeah, they won't be moved. She's trying to have a little look.
Sometimes the people say, sell banana over here.
He knows where they are. He's a cheeky little git, isn't he?
Is he going to be a gentleman and go and get a one, or is he just going to
No,
nick
he's
them?
going to go and nick them for himself, I'm sure.
He's going to get
Yeah,
both.
he's going to get
I
both
bet he
of them
gets
for
both.
himself.
He's going to get both.
See, that's where
That's
they
yours.
are,
It's gone
Salma.
on now. Big man's got
No,
'em.
you've got to get them yourself.
Their face.
Sulong's pinching
Dun-dun-dun.
them.
Sulong's there's one for me. Thank you very much.
There's another one. He's not silly, is he? Is he?
And,
And
what's
the
this
other
over
one.
here then?
Oh.
I'll just sit here and go, oh no, I think I have it now. There we go, that's great. Any
So
more?
you missed out. You're still set.
So he's got 3 and you've got zilch because you would get off your fat ass. Your fault. Well, I think she wants one. She just can't be bothered
Yeah,
to go
she
and
just
get
can't be bothered to get up.
Well, one did hit her, so.
It. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's alright. Gave a concussion.
Perhaps that's why she's
Where
not
am I?
moved yet. Ah. Oh, he's playing. I wondered if he was just about to get up then.
You're
I'm
gonna
going.
go and bring her one. I think
I
not.
don't know. Oh, is he though?
Got one in his foot.
Yeah.
They're both in his
Go.
Oh, that would be lovely if he did. Real gent. Or is he going to get back on his own platform? Yeah. Oh, she can go. Or is he going to lob it back?
Oh, he's a bit more in his mouth.
I think he's still got one in his foot, actually.
Yeah, 2 in his mouth.
Oh no, that's it.
Look there.
There
Yeah,
she
he's
goes.
got 3. Go on, I dare you to go and nick one. This could be interesting.
She is, she's going to go nick one.
Look, you selfish bastard, you go down the pub every night. The least you can do is give her one of them
He's
fairy
giving
balls
one of
they've thrown in. Or you, hand it over. No, they're mine. Get lost. Superb. Superb.
He got up off his own fat ass to get them.
He says, I can take it any time I want it. I don't need to give you any presents.
She's just staring at him now. Please.
Oh, look.
Oh. Oh, it's cuddling.
Yeah, she's got one.
She's got one.
She's got one.
Hey.
A woman's ways. You owe me. You owe me. Later. She doesn't realise he's nicked all the seeds and fruit from that one.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Right up.
Coconut.
I hold the 2 balls.